Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Expobar office level espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the gauge was overheating and it was basically this pressure that was bad. Unfortunately, this thing was made out of plastic and we were trying to move it. As you can see, the thing just broke and it was inside the copper pipe. And yeah, it was just almost impossible to get, but we finally get it out, replace it with one of these metal ones instead of not this one of course, but one that has a metal fitting instead of a plastic one. So now that won't happen again. And when we were heating up the machine, we found that the vacuum release valve, this little guy over here, was actually not sealing all the way through, so we had to replace it. And yeah, that's what we did with the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test out the machine and hopefully I pick up the right grind setting so that we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Grind might need to definitely be more finer, or it might need a little bit more coffee. As you can see, you don't see that much crema, you barely see, and yeah, that's the reason we asked for the drip. And yeah, it wasn't a really good shot of espresso, unfortunately. I didn't pick the right grind settings of it. Yeah, it needs more coffee and a little bit more finer. But you can see the water for the machine. Now good. Pressure, as you can see, is stable. Not going anywhere. Amazing. It's really great. And yeah, there you have it. Expobar working in 1 second. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.